Hello guys, I welcome you all to Excel Gyaan. So here we'll talk about all the formulas, all the basics of Excel, and we'll try to make a easy learning of Excel. So if you are joining us, definitely in our next 10 to 15 videos, you will be very fluent to Excel and you will feel little bit ease in using Excel. So without wasting time, today I'll start with basics of Excel. So this will be the very first chapter. So like this, we have to complete many more, but the first one, basics of Excel, this we are starting. So guys, first of all, I'll tell you this, where you can see the box is highlighted, this is called cell. The second one, you can see this all are sheets. So sheet 1, sheet 3, sheet 4, likewise you will have many sheets, and the whole, if we'll take it as the whole new, so this will be one workbook. Workbook means workbook consists all the sheets. So guys, this one is the cell. If you want to say like what is the name of this cell, this will be here A1, A from this column, 1 from the row. So like this we'll have B1, C1. Other than that, you'll have by right click, you'll have all these options where you can copy something, you can cut something. So suppose if I'm typing India, if I want to copy it, then we can copy it by clicking right click on mouse. We can paste it wherever we want. If you want to cut it, cut means that will vanish from there, this file won't exist there. So now if you want to reverse the action, whatever you have done, you are not satisfied with that, you want some correction, you need to do Control Z, which is undo. So this is again one thing. And in between, if you are feeling like whatever you have done that is right, then you can save it from the top. If you don't want to use that, then Control S will save your file. So again, here you can see something has come, so we'll discard this change for a while. Now we'll see again few more things, like by clicking at the top of A, you can select all the columns. By clicking at the top of or at the first letter 1, you can select all the rows. Why I'm telling this, so we should not do this exercise again and again. So this is the very fundamental things what we all should know. Other than that, if I'm writing some random numbers, you can feel like this is 1 2 3 4 5 what we have written, but what the beauty is, what I want to show you in Excel, if we'll select it all the 5, you can see the count, which is 5. So it shows like 5 items we have here, and since it is numeric thing, so we can see sum of all this is 15. So this all are very basic things what we all should know. That's why I'm telling it here. Other than that, we'll go to other things. We'll have, you can see in home we'll have clipboard. So clipboard will discuss in detail, fonts will discuss in detail, alignment, everything whatever is there, we'll keep one separate video for all, and I'll explain each and everything separately. So even if some work you are doing in between and you want to save it, then first thing how you can save is directly you can go to save. This is one thing. Second thing, like if some new work you have started suddenly, then you can go for save as. In save as, you'll have PC. Inside PC you can see the location wherever you want to make it. So I can find out one Excel is there, so inside that we can name the file. So we'll make it some file, just we'll make random 1 suppose, and we'll save it. Before saving, you can ensure like either it is in Excel workbook, which format is whose format is .xlsx. So we should keep it on this, which is the latest one, and we'll save it. So once we have saved, now whatever work we are doing, this will be saving there if we'll press that save or Control S. So this is one basic thing I wanted to tell you. Other than that, for rename and all, you can do it in that respective folder. So I hope guys you are aware of all this. If you are not aware, we'll look into all of this one by one. But the first thing, you can see the new means like if you want to go for a new sheet, then you should put new to save. So you can see we have put new, so one new sheet has come. In this sheet we can do some workings whatever we need, and then we can again do the same exercise, save as. So probably this will be one thing what we should know. So guys, I hope this would help and motivate you all to join our journey. So this is a journey what we are starting now. So in next probably in 15 to 20 videos, you will feel you have a good command on Excel. So Please subscribe our channel, like the video. Probably you won't be able to judge us with this one video, so keep supporting us, guys. Wait for a day or two, we'll come with some more videos. Then you can decide either you want to keep subscribing us or unsubscribe our channel. So this is one content based channel. Please keep supporting us. We'll also try to make some good content. So thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye, guys.